that pace up, ladies. We've got a war to win and a schedule to keep.
All right, easy now, lift on 3.
Confirm, the manifests match the plates.
Watch your spacing on that stack, move it out.
Are these plates cleared for cutting?
Yes, sir, all specs verified. Send them through.
Ensure precise alignment before the final pass. Keep the rotation slow.
Check the vertical on that side, Supervisor. Looks good. Welders, start the root pass. Easy now, easy. Watch the angle.
We've got 56 degrees, boss. Ready for tacking.
Ensure the bolt patterns match the template exactly. We start welding in 60 seconds.
The integrity of the armor is paramount. Every weld undergoes rigorous testing, from X-ray analysis.
Template checks out on the 3rd bracket.
Good. Start the welds immediately.
Watch the left side. Okay, it's seated. Start welding, seal the gaps tight.
Check the alignment on the left side, Charlie. We need to match the schematic exactly before torquing.
Hold it right there. Looks centered.
All right, let's get these bolts secured. Start the star pattern now. Easy on the lift, watch the starboard side.
Okay, hold it right there. We're aligned.
Bring her down slow, verify the studs are clear.
Lowering the Continental R975 engine into the Sherman was a precise task, requiring expert coordination between the crane operator and the ground crew.
Torque check on mounting bolt 7.
Reading green, Supervisor. 4,500 foot-pounds.
Ignition harness secured on cylinder 5.
Checked. Did you verify the waterproof boots on the lower plugs?
This visualization highlights how the ducting channels cooling air directly across the engine cylinders, optimizing the airflow path for maximum efficiency.
Okay, bring the manifold up slowly.
Gasket aligned on ports 7 and 8.
Torque set to factory specifications.
Easy now, watch the clearance on the manifold.
Almost there, boss. Securing the straps now.
We need to secure the J-box feed before the turret cables go in.
Check the diagram, page 12. Verify the color codes.
Voltage is good at the relay.
Okay, attempting first crank.
Alignment looks good on the turret ring. Verify the bolt holes now. Copy that. Checking the forward section. Check the alignment on this pin.
Looks good, send it through.
How's the sag looking?
Still too loose. Tighten the idler another few turns.
Okay, checking now. Looks good.
We're showing 75 millimeters of travel on the front bogie.
Acceptable range. Check the torque on the mounting bolts next.
The 75mm M3 was the Sherman's primary offensive weapon, installed with meticulous precision.
All right, bring it down slow.
Watch your spacing over here.
Looks aligned, send the pins in.
All systems are green. The traverse and elevation are linked up.
Roger that. Engaging hydraulics. Check the sight alignment now.
Okay, run the drill, retrieve and load. Breach clear, up, in, closed.
Traverse speed, 30 degrees per second. Torque, 5,000 Newton meters. Test passed.
Hold it right there. Clear on the guides, lower away.
Seated and secure. Start the rotation test.
The comprehensive lubrication service ensures all drivetrain components are protected. Technicians meticulously check.
Pay close attention to the diagram. The feed chutes must align perfectly and ensure those bolts are fully torqued before we proceed with the traverse test.
Full range of motion on the levers.
Shifting to reverse now.
And the gauges are all active.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. How's the clarity back there?
Solid copy, Commander. Check the retention mechanism on that HE round.
Secure. Documenting the final count now.
The crew's ability to fight buttoned up is entirely dependent on this equipment. Every periscope must be perfectly aligned.
All systems checked and verified. Final approval granted.
Stenciling transforms these vehicles into identified military assets. We apply the White Star first, then the...
Radio check, channel 1. All systems report green.
Solid copy. Inspection complete. Final acceptance approved.
Crew comfort directly impacts morale, which in turn significantly affects combat effectiveness in the field.
Heave! Secure that tow cable tight. Aye, sir. Brackets locked.
Fuel capacity reached. Confirming 175 gallons. Logged. All levels green on the service sheet. Coolant system bold and secured.
All parameters are within tolerance, sir. Test duration met. Very good. The T-45 is approved for delivery.
Suspension travel is within specifications. Mobility testing is complete and successful.
Traverse speed is well within specifications. Sign it off.
Yes, sir. Combat ready.
Radio check, position 1. Do you copy?
Loud and clear, position 1. All systems nominal.
Inspectors meticulously check engine seals, hydraulic connections, and the turret ring for any seepage.
All factory test documentation and quality control records are in order, Master Sergeant.
Verified. The engine runtime is logged and the...
Check the desiccant seals on turret 7.
All secure, Captain. Sign off on the preservation status here. Get that chain secured. We're on a schedule here. Signal the crane. Lift on my mark. Crew 3, at this tank here, serial number 22459. Get your gear stowed and check your stations. Ease off the throttle, Smith. You're riding the clutch too hard. Keep her steady through that trench.
All right, next we move to turret traverse drills. Speed and accuracy are paramount.
Identify target, track right. Adjust elevation. Fire! Gunner, target tank! Fire!
Execute maneuver blue. Baker Company, the left flank is clear. Move quickly through the green smoke. Acknowledge.
Align the pin, now!
It's stuck, Sergeant.
Hit it harder. We don't stop until it's set.
Commander, what is the status of your platoon's fuel reserves?
Sir,
All tanks are fully fueled and ready for deployment.
All units, right turn at the crossroads. Follow the signs to Assembly Area 4. Keep the column tight.
At Neo 600, we advance on Carentan.
Expect heavy resistance along the hedgerows. Maintain tactical dispersion.
Roger, Major. We're ready.
Keep rolling! Don't stop for the machine guns!
All units, this is Dog Company Actual. We are advancing through the smoke. Target sighted, Panzer, range 1200. Up, ready. Firing, reload. Second target, bearing 045, fire. That machine gun position now.
Third floor window, traverse right, fire! Suppressing fire, move!
All units, this is Red 6. We have visual on the bridge.
Roger, Red 6. Move, move, move. Don't stop for upper straggle.
Pull her steady, watch the left side. We got the transmission ready. All right, let's get this back in the fight.
The hedgerows were hell. We almost lost Baker's tank back there.
Yeah, that Kraut anti-tank gun came out of nowhere.
The brutal European winter tested men and machines.
Keep it moving, let's go! Watch the spacing on the bridge! Get that tank across now, incoming fire! We finally made it! Krasute to victory!
Homies. While some troops were processed for immediate return, others faced redeployment to the Pacific Theater.
When you were inside, the noise was incredible, but we trusted these machines with our lives. It's important you see this.
It was American industry that won the war. Those tanks, they were rolling off the line faster than the Germans could destroy them.
From the massive industrial complexes to the battlefields of Europe, the Sherman tank was... From the massive industrial complexes to the battlefields of Europe, the Sherman tank was